Hey guys, welcome back. A short video today. I just want to show you guys a progress on a project I was working on. So I got my Kobra Max to work finally. Now, as you guys know, a Chiron that right now it's working as a bench tabletop because it works. I just haven't used it because I was working on this one. Now, if you guys remember, about a year ago, my Chiron was not printing, and we've known this about ANYCUBIC because of the wires they use. These wires tend to break, but I didn't learn my lesson, so I ordered a bunch of stuff from ANYCUBIC to include a new motherboard, thinking the motherboard's bad because it was giving me a hot end error. Now I finally came to my senses and I ordered a new cable, and that fixed the problem because the cable that they came with the printer was bad and it was not working. Now this is the second print I'm running on this machine. It seems to be working fine. It's running smooth. It's actually a lot faster than the Chiron, but also they're both good machines. Again, you get what you paid for, right? This is totally within the ballpark of some of the problems you may run down the line. ANYCUBIC has come a long way, and I have to say the customer service was excellent. Every time I send a question, the turnaround time was less than 24 hours with whatever the solution was, whatever the problem was, what I needed, what parts I needed. And it's actually cheaper to buy products from ANYCUBIC customer service than actually trying to go online and find it, because most of those parts you cannot find online. It's very hard to find replacement parts, specific parts I should say. The hot ends are available most of the time for their newer printers, but the older printers you're gonna have a very hard time finding the parts. But I had a lot of back and forth email with ANYCUBIC customer service. They absolutely came through. Anything I asked for, they actually provided. They sent me a link. I pay for it, and they ship it to me. Obviously, shipping took a little bit to come through, but it did come through. Other than that, again, with the older model ANYCUBIC, I don't have a new model of ANYCUBIC, but the older ones the wires are known to break because they are not silicone wires, they're regular ribbon wires, and ribbon wires over time, because the back and forth they tend to break, and that's just the nature of the wire. The silicone wires that I changed the Chiron to, they have not broken. They work just fine, and I run that machine a lot. I print a lot of parts, but you know, overall, with this, I actually prefer the Kobra now because I'm gonna probably get rid of the Chiron because this one's a lot more quieter and faster. So this one prints a lot faster than the other one. Yeah, so all great customer service, man. That's what it matters. That's what we need. It's if we have a problem and they're responsive. So you know, I don't know, let me know what you think. If you guys have the same issue with the Kobra, look at my previous video. I show you I changed almost everything. I changed the hot end, I changed the motherboard, I changed a few things. Oh, one thing, I made this into a direct drive as well, with this part that I made for the filament detector, and this thing doesn't work, so I don't know what the problem is. So I gotta troubleshoot. I used some of the old wire to extend the wire out from here to here, so maybe that's the problem. Maybe I should change the wire. But your comments down below, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have the same issue, I hope this video helps you out. Peace out.